So I just have some charts I wanted to share, some new bearish setups, because guys, like I said, the DeFi app trading contest ends in 20 days and you don't need much money to get in the top 500. I think it was like $400 profit reward for just getting $100 in P&L. As you can see, you only need around $100 in profit right now to be in the top 500. I think I can get back into the top 100. I did fuck up the account with shorting too early, but guys, you know, I've got good risk management. Yes, I've lost more than I've won, but I'm still profitable on this account. So like I said, be tight with your stop loss. I keep my stop loss above the swing high on the charts. Anyway guys, I wanted to show you this bear flag on Solana right now. This looks insane. Like, I'm talking ready to just drop so hard you wouldn't fucking believe it. This bear div maturing makes sense because the total 3 has the same setup, the bear flag, right? You can see this on the chart. It's not my opinion, it's on the chart. Yes, I could be wrong and it could just fucking like pump and just stop us out, but this is the kind of setup I want to see if I'm looking for shorts. And if we have confluence with the total 3 showing the bear flag as well, guys, does that not make sense for a drop on Solana? There are still so many people holding memes and vapor coins that are down 60%, about to go down 70 or 80%. Why do you think Solana would hold $136? It's a question I really would love to hear, but I just wanted to remind you all, the FOMC was just maybe it was yesterday actually. Guys, this was hawkish for the DXY because people were expecting further rate cuts in 2026, but Jerome made it clear it's very likely none are happening. Now, Jerome is not going to be the Fed next year because there's someone else coming in. Paul Atkins, I think was his name. So maybe there is a rate cut. I don't know. But from what he said, it's hawkish, okay? Which means it's good for the DXY. I think people will get out of crypto because of the gold and silver rally happening. People will want to exit crypto and go into precious metals. That's just my opinion. The great rotation would be that. Next year, sometime in late 2026, that is when buying outs would make sense. That's when I think the total 3 would have reset. The 2-month bear div would be reset. You know, this still has a lot more downside potential. This monthly bear div that we identified in October, it's still possible this is not done, guys. So that's why I think we have further downside coming. And another chart, another short, I still cannot get out of my mind. I just can't fucking let it go, guys. I don't know why. It's just, I think about it every day. I'm still holding this XRP short as well. I want to add to it, to be honest, but I don't want to fuck the entry up. Honestly, guys, this just looks, it just looks like it's gonna flush very hard soon. You know, we have made some progress, but there's still a lot of movement down on this chart to come. I mean, look at that look at this shit, guys. Imagine when this starts dipping into the red, the histogram starts printing red histogram candles. This thing is going to fucking dump hard. It's gonna dump hard. I'm still shorting XRP. Anyway, it's not financial advice. It's just my speculation. I need to make that clear. If you do want to trade these, make sure, guys, DeFi app be in the contest, or you can use the GRVT one and also farm their airdrop. Just put in some volume. You will be getting an airdrop Q1 2026 when GRVT launches the mainnet token. So that's the update I have for you guys. Quick look at the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin on the daily, nothing has changed, guys. You know, there's still plenty of downside for this Bitcoin drop. I mean, this to me just looks like it's still bear flagging, you know? Bear flags are everywhere. The bear flag I showed you on total 3 looks better, but this looks good. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Until the next one, thank you.